racing just is started with amazing cut break, quickly restart, rushing up down the inside. No, yan in between horses. Yes, Kitty. The next online is Striker Symbol, and on the outside is Russell. Dazzle is Storm Apple, Balikasag. The next online now is G Price, running by the release fighter in the wind, while Peace Needed is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch will be Strikers. Symbol moving upon the outside is Russell. Dazzle, no, Iana is a very close third, and in fourth comes Yes Kitty, Balikasag, running by the release fighter in the wind. Then next on line is Peace Needed. Storm Apple comes next, then followed by Amazing Cut, while G's Price now racing in less. Another fourth turn will be Strikers Symbol, enjoying a length and a half lead. Russell, Dazzle, no, Iana, Yes Kitty alongside. Then comes Balikasag, fighter in the wind, and Diana entering the home stretch where is Strikers Symbol, enjoying a 3 lengths lead. No, Iana in second. Then on the outside now is Yes Kitty with about 150 meters more to run. Will be Strikers Symbol now by about 5 lengths. And finally, the program opener is Strikers Symbol. Then comes No, Iana, Balikasag, Yes Kitty.
Okay, Bayan Karalista, para sa inyong race number 1 ng ating unofficial winner, 6 horse. Yan po si Striker Symbol.